Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to create an account in Trustee Wallet app step by step. Trustee is a secure crypto wallet that lets you store, send, receive and manage cryptocurrencies safely on your phone. And if you're using Trustee for the first time, make sure to watch this video till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So let's get started. First you need to open to the Trustee Wallet app on your phone. And once you reach on the welcome screen, you need to select agree with the terms, use and privacy of this trustee. You need to select the term and use of the privacy of the trustee, and you need to tap on the create wallet. And when you get into this interface, in the top right corner we can see there's this icon 3 line. You need to tap over there and you need to toggle off this pin code. And that's it, your Trustee Wallet account has been successfully created and you can now start using it to manage your crypto. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto wallet tutorials. Thanks for watching. I hope I could help you. If you have any confusions or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.